Hello, my friends. How's your day? And welcome to another tutorial from Sketchly. So, we must have seen a scenario where user copies an image and is saved to the clipboard, clipboard manager. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how we can get that image that was copied. Because in a case, traditionally rather, when you click on paste, it is expected that what will be pasted will be a text. But then Edittext doesn't support image pasting. So, but then when we use WhatsApp and we click on paste, you see WhatsApp will try to get the image. I will be doing exactly the same thing. So all those error of this image pasting is not supported will also be fixed in this tutorial. So let's do this. Let's show an example. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a random image. I'm using ChatGPT to generate a random image. So I will copy the image to clipboard. So we can see the image has been copied to clipboard. So let's go and see how the app manages such image. You can see we can paste the image in our app. So on let's say the image has been pinned, even pinned for tomorrow. We can always paste the image. We can paste the image as the case may be. Let's see how this is done in sketchware. So this is an easy tutorial, it's a copy and paste tutorial. First endeavor this file is there in your project, and then notice something. Once you are using this file, if your package name is not com.sketchly, ideally your package name will not be this, and if your package name changes, whatever is here, whatever the package name is in this place must be equivalent to what this edit text will be converted to, because we're using a custom edit text. So this name here must be equals to your package name to prevent errors. So if your package name change, whether lowercase, because it's a very case sensitive word, so you must also make that correction. So it's a combination of package name and the file name. So this is the package name, and then this is the file name, custom edit text. So we can see the file name, custom edit text. So whatever this file name is here, public class, it must, so it's a conjunction of the package name and the class name rather. So in our create, why I added this block is because to access an image due to handle restriction, you must have storage permission. So it's compulsory you have storage permission. So this code is the olden days, is the traditional way of image storage permission. From Android 13, there is an image permission which you can look up. So this will work for Android 12 storage permission, but the project is expected to run from Android 13 and above. Just the storage permission is the traditional storage permission, read external storage and that. So I add this code to show image preview. So this image preview is whether you want, if you have to preview the image, so whether the user want to actually paste the image, so they can preview it. So if they will have a dialog, do they want to paste it? So once they click on pasting it, just like we see the dialog, sorry. So they first see the dialog. So this is the preview. They are previewing it before pasting it. Previewing it before pasting it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share. This video project AWB file is available on our Telegram channel. Thank you once more.